A subsidiary of Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy is leveraging its Bitcoin to buy more Bitcoin with a $205 million loan from Silvergate Bank. MicroStrategy, a subsidiary of business intelligence firm MicroStrategy, said it will purchase Bitcoin after obtaining a multi-million-dollar loan from Silvergate Bank. In a Tuesday announcement, MicroStrategy said Silvergate issued a $205 million loan secured by certain Bitcoin held in MicroStrategy's collateral account. The firm's subsidiary, MicroStrategy, will be using the proceeds of the loan to purchase Bitcoin, pay fees and interest related to the loan, and handle general corporate expenses. The SEN leverage loan gives us an opportunity to further our position as the leading public company investor in Bitcoin, said MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor. Using the capital from the loan, we've effectively turned our Bitcoin into productive collateral, which allows us to further execute against our business strategy. Since making a $250 million Bitcoin investment in August 2020, MicroStrategy now holds billions in the crypto asset following separate buys using the company's cash on hand and proceeds of sales of convertible senior notes in private offerings to institutional buyers. With the Bitcoin price at $47,358 at the time of writing the script for this video, the firm's 125,051 coins are worth roughly $6 billion. Welcome back to Savvy Finance. Please don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you. MicroStrategy announced in June 2021 that its existing 92,079 Bitcoin would be held by the newly formed MicroStrategy LLC subsidiary. The company appears to have been registered with a Virginia address. As of the end of December 2021, MicroStrategy held 124,391 Bitcoin. With the new leverage buy, the company will increase its holdings to roughly 128,687 Bitcoin, worth more than $6 billion. Not long after the news was announced Tuesday morning, Saylor took to Twitter to tout the power of leveraged Bitcoin purchases, saying the strategy can move the world. MicroStrategy was one of the first big public companies to make buying Bitcoin part of its corporate strategy, buying $425 million of it in late 2020. Not long after, payments processor and crypto miner Block, formerly Square, and electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla did the same. Whatever's doing with Bitcoin, I don't want to decapitalize the company. I want to keep the capital or grow the capital, but I also want to put an asset on the balance sheet. And I think a big breakthrough is that I can convert my cash from a liability to an asset, Michael Saylor said at the Bitcoin 2021 conference in Miami. And then we realized if that asset is going to go up by more than 10% a year, and you can borrow money at 5% or 3 or 4 or 2, then you should borrow as much money as you can and flip it into the asset. For many years, the idea that publicly traded corporations might buy Bitcoin for their reserves was considered laughable. The top cryptocurrency was considered too volatile, too fringe to be embraced by any serious business. Over the past year and a half, fueled by the economic effects of the COVID-19 pandemic, that taboo has been well and truly broken, with a number of major institutional investors buying up Bitcoin. The floodgates first opened when MicroStrategy bought $425 million worth of Bitcoin in August and September 2020. Others followed suit. For investors unwilling to buy Bitcoin themselves, buying shares in public companies that hold Bitcoin can be a way of gaining exposure to the asset without the hassle of arranging self-custody. Indeed, some experts think that the extent of MicroStrategy's Bitcoin purchases has made the company a de facto Bitcoin ETF. Unlike other CEOs who typically shy away from discussing their personal investments, Saylor has made it public that he personally holds 17,732 Bitcoin, currently worth over $839 million. As per data from BitInfo charts, this positions Saylor among the top 100 Bitcoin owners, assuming it is all held within a single address. It's something of an about-face for the MicroStrategy CEO, who in 2013 claimed that Bitcoin's days were numbered. On New Year's Eve 2020, Morgan Stanley revealed that it had purchased 10.9% of MicroStrategy. And MicroStrategy is looking to get other companies invested in Bitcoin. In February 2021, it hosted a Bitcoin for Corporations Strand aimed at getting companies up to speed with the crypto asset. During the conference, Saylor stated that he anticipated an avalanche of companies converting their balance sheets into Bitcoin in the coming year. Other notable big institutions that had invested in Bitcoin and holds large Bitcoin in their treasury include Tesla, Galaxy Digital Holdings, Voyager Digital Limited, Block Inc., Marathon Digital Holdings Inc. Others are Hut 8 Mining Corp., Coinbase Global Inc., Riot Blockchain Inc., and Germany-based venture capital firm Bitcoin Group SE. It's our belief that 5 years or even 3 years from now, many institutions will look back and regret missing the opportunity of buying Bitcoin at below $50,000, at which point Bitcoin will probably be beyond $200,000 or more. Thanks for watching our videos. Till our next video, please stay savvy.